Hey everybody, XJoe81X. Well, I made a previous video of Craftsman warranty that you watched or didn't watch. And I knew I had something that really was broken. So here's an old school Craftsman half-inch. And look, it just toggles. It ratchets only one way. So this is going to go to the right. Move it to the right. You see? It doesn't have any purpose right here. Do you see? So what I want to do is take it apart, and you need a little doohickey that spreads a key. So I do have it. A little bit cumbersome. I might have to just use a conventional needle nose. See, this works the opposite way. Little boy helping Dada, right? Jojo? Tire filler upper.
Oh.
So it did work. I'm going to have to use 2 hands. It's a little bit cumbersome. Shouldn't this be the opposite way? Whoa! Do do do. Whoa! Don't break that. I mean, of course I have it. It's just not. All right, we'll just old school it. All right. Here we are.
Yeah.
So we'll just move that out of the way. And we'll see what's wrong. Okay, Jojo. What's wrong is it's physically broken. Don't touch that. Don't touch. So what's wrong is I think I did this before. It's not turning. It's internally broken. I said, whoa, whoa, whoa. We're gonna hit it like this. There's no tomorrow. Yeah, there we go. See? Popped right out. Boop. There we go. That's what I'm going to show you. See this little slit? This little slit is broken. There's a piece that was welded in there. Bob's your uncle. Now this is a heavy duty piece. So what I want to assume is that it's you're not fixing it because obviously they just sent it to me. But I was wondering if over, like, yeah. I think it pushes out. So if you really wanted to, kind of, you could put it back. Jesus, talk about everything comes off. Look at that. You could really grease up your tool. Okay, we'll just hold it together. Okay, fine. You can put it back one at a time. There we go. Oh, whoa, whoa, whoa. Do tomorrow. Enrique, gracias. So what you could do is overly extend this. Push it down. Okay, I don't know if you watched that. Let go. Still gonna have a ratchet. Ooh, that's rickety. Still be used. And then if you wanted to take a tool, I said, you're a tool, I'm a tool, everybody's a tool. You could take one of these jobs. So let's go ratchet up, tighten, ratchet up, tighten. Move it along. Ratchet this way, tighten. The problem is this probably pops out. Whew. So maybe we could put this ring back. I'm a ring, you're a ring, everyone's a ring. So let's open this up as much as we can. Let's close this. There we go. We put it back. It doesn't really mean anything. It's just a weapon. Pow-pow! Let's see if it comes out. Yes. If I pushed it enough, it would come out. But there's a ball bearing in here. So basically what I'm asking is that if there's any function, I'm sure I could figure out a way, if I took a deep breath, is to add a little nipple to this or that, or you could try to super glue it, but like super glue on a Craftsman. So that's gonna wrap this up. I did have a video. I'm sorry, a broken ratchet. I didn't lie. I told you, I didn't lie. I just didn't find it when I was making my previous video, ladies and gentlemen. This will go back into the archives. Shit, Tanya. This will stay off of it because my brain is like, wait, why doesn't it work? So it's going to stay off. I'm going to put it somewhere and I'm going to know, hey, this one's broken, which is even probably old school. It's probably one of the first jobbers out there. Hit like, hit subscribe. Thank you for watching my videos and have a good day. Take it easy.